Video here for you. We've been doing all these mini sets, and I wanted to actually report back. Some of you guys had some questions about the tool sets, and I've tried my best in this channel to help answer those questions. One of those questions you guys had is for this mini icon toolkit set. This one's like $39, and sometimes less when it's on sale. This is probably one of the most popular. At least feedback from you guys is you prefer this more than any of these. And I get it. It's smaller, it's the cheapest, and you get the most bang for your buck as far as bits selection here, and you use it as a 1/4 inch driver as needed. Well, the only problem that it really has is, as you look inside here, is this is how it comes. Now this extension is great because you use it on your ratchet here, and you can either use it as a regular one that locks in like so, or you can line it up and use it as a pass-through. Right, and that allows you to have different adjustments, close and far, and then also use it as a T-handle if you really need to get some torque on there. So great idea, but some of you guys are like, well, if you look at this icon set, well, it actually has, right, a little screwdriver handle. You can put your bits on the end and use that. Okay, that's great. You look at the Craftsman set, same thing, little screwdriver. Well, that's no fair. Look at the Toolant. It's got its own little screwdriver here, so why not make that possible? And I'm not going to take credit for this, guys. There's a guy, and I'll take a snapshot and maybe put it here so you guys could see, and a link to it of the individual who actually uploaded this. What this is this is a 3D print of a little screwdriver handle, and he's put all the little knurling inside there, crosshatch. And it's up to you to determine what material you use. So for you guys that are new to 3D printing, there's different types of plastics you could print with. Some are a little bit faster to print with, some take a little bit longer, some are harder to the touch, and some are made for being in the sun or even chemical resistance. And in this case, I did this one out of PETG. It's a little bit known for being UV resistant and out in the environment. And, well, what's cool with this one is, you can probably see a little bit there, he's allowed you to use it, and if you line up this little line right here, see that right there, and you line up your pass-through mark, it allows you to slide it all the way back in a flush finish. And then what you could do is grab any of your bits that you have, and you could come here and you could grab your, say, your Phillips number 2, put it on the end, and guys, you could instantly use it as a screwdriver. Now, are you going to get really strong torque out of this? Absolutely not. Just for, I'd say, just average things that you need to screw. But it's a great idea. Now you have the ability to use it as a screwdriver. And what's even better is it fits right inside there. And it fits just perfect enough, like so, so that when you close it, as you guys see inside there, as it closes, it clears the ratchet underneath. So, such a great idea. And it fits right here too in the holder. Like, he took the time to make that align, fit. He even put this little arch here. I actually think I'll take my little paint pen and mark that there just so I can see on the fly as I'm working with the pass-through. Otherwise, you could turn it, that's fine, run it without the pass-through. It just doesn't set in the back. Pass-through, line it up, goes all the way to the back for you. And then if you want to run it that way, I guess you could, if you really want to get an extension out of it, but it's going to be pretty, yeah, it's not going to work well. It's pretty much just one-sided. Slide it on, leave it on there, and now you got yourself a little driver for any of these bits you got inside there. I think it's a great idea. It's awesome. And again, I'm not taking credit for that. I just want to share it. And I'll put the link down below for you guys so you can see where it is online. Because it's a super cool addition that guys are doing that. And if you guys are new to 3D printing, there's a lot of cool stuff out there. A lot of guys make stuff very specific for us, where you could take and create whatever. And I mean, I'm only paying for, so you could buy a spool of this black stuff. I haven't even used it yet. I've made a ton of stuff. It's like for 20 bucks, and then you just print off, and then it prints off also this raised white lettering. If you buy a 3D printer that has the ability to do that. But guys, you can print a lot of really cool stuff for your shop or for your office. So you just put all your stuff in an organized way. Alright, this one's not PETG. This is going to be a different material, and this one's like a little more of a sheen to it. I thought I'd try something a little crazy. But this is great because now I could just put my caliper out and easily access it, along with a couple pins, and then whatever else is small. Then maybe I'll put a pencil inside that one. But super cool. Or you can make just little fun toys like this guy. I guess a little turbo or something. Anyways, cool stuff. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is that a cool little addition to this? Or is this something you guys would print? I mean, honestly, cost-wise, what this probably cost me, I don't know, 15 cents total, maybe less. It's cheap. It costs nothing, and it took all of. It probably took 30 minutes to print on my 3D printer. So, super happy, super good stuff. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments section. And always, thanks for watching, guys. And we'll talk to you soon.